Hey, what's up, guys? So this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to like blend your eyeshadow. It's a quick video to show like how to blend your eyeshadow. That that's a face primer that I'm putting on my face. That's like so your makeup could stay on forever and it doesn't look cakey throughout the day. Okay, so you need a primer. I like the Urban Decay primer. I'm going to put the link down below. This makes your eyeshadow stay on all day and it doesn't crease up. The fact, like, forget the fact that your eyeshadow is going to stay on the whole day. Is going to stay intact. That's what it is. So I'm just going to use this little palette from Natasha, I guess. So look, this is a blending brush. This is my favorite blending brush right now. It's by oh, I forgot her name. Dang, I forgot her name. I don't know, but I'll put the link down below. It comes in like in a pack, and it's from Ulta Beauty. Like that set of brushes comes with all the little brush blending brushes you need. Like if you don't know how to do eyeshadow, like trust me, if you get these brushes, you'll know how to do shadows. All right, so you seen that I just put the brush on the in the color and you're just watching me go back and forth like, and look, none of this video is like fast forwarded. That's just how fast I move. Like literally, like I hope this video is not fast forward because it looks like it's fast forwarded. But anyways, so I purposely don't fast forward the process of blending because it takes a long time to blend the the eyeshadow. It just depends how good your eyeshadow is. Honestly, this time it was taking forever for me to blend my eyeshadow, but I don't think it's the eyeshadow that I have because that eyeshadow, that little palette costs $35, and their big palettes be costing like $60. Like this eyeshadow palette is like expensive. It's an expensive brand, so it was my eyelid girl. Like I don't know. No, but anyways, like yeah, like look, I'm just going back and forth and the brush blends your eyeshadow for you. Like you don't have to do anything. Like, like so just go ahead and watch me blend. And if I need to add in my 2 for 2s, I'll pop back in. Okay, I just wanted to say too, like you've been watching me just go back and forth, just blending. The brush does the blending for you. Like you guys need to get these brushes. Like, oh, they're brushes from Morphe, from the girl. Oh my god, I always say her name. And then like right now, I don't know her name. But anyways, like I'm put the link down below to get these brushes anyway. They're like $30 for like the whole set. Like it's really worth it. Like if anything, I need to buy a second pair because they're just so good. Like I love them. And the brush, like, oh, I'm sorry, I'm like blocking my eyeshadow. Like the brush does the blending for you. Like trust me, just go back and forth like I do it, and just stay in one spot. Like, and then it just fans out. Like you see how like I don't go like on top. Like just do exactly what I'm doing on the video. Like go back and forth and it starts blending. But honestly, this day I was having a very hard time blending. Like, but you just go back and forth. And when your skin is dry, it's kind of hard to do stuff with your makeup. So I think my eyelids were dry or something. Yeah, just go back and forth. I'm trying to get rid of that harsh line. Okay, yeah, go back and forth, go back and forth. It just blends for you. All right, guys, I'm going in with my Patrick Star on point eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner. It's really good. I have no complaints over it. I like how matte it leaves your eyeliner. And it's the eyeliner like it it's like it makes like the putting on the eyeliner like kind of more effortlessly. So I do recommend this eyeliner. So here I go putting on my eyeliner, and yeah, you see how effortlessly like this eyeliner helps you like get that wing. So I like it. I like how it was, this pen was built. My other favorite eyeliner is the Stella one. I don't know. I can't really compare because they're both really good. Yeah, I really love this eyeliner too. Like, I'm like fanning it because, girl, if you move onto your other eye and then you look up, your eyeliner's gonna get all over your eyes, and then you gotta do your eyeshadow all over again. And, like, that will start off your morning very horrible. All right, so since I want to be extra cute, I'm gonna put on some eyeliner that's called Strip Down from MAC. And what I've discovered is like I just like cover my bow, that bow from the lip. Like, I don't even follow it. I just cover it, and I don't go. I don't do all my lips. I just do the little front, like, so it could give me that little pout. And then I discovered this lip butter by NYX. It's like bomb, like, I don't know, and it just instantly makes your lips look big, like, you know what I mean, like fake lip injections. I be scared to get lip injections because some people be getting their stuff messed up, girl. But yeah, look, instant cuteness. And then you're gonna have to like see me put on my eyelashes. Look at myself. I'm feeling. Look, that's the end result. And I have my Video Vixen eyelashes on, girl. You could get them at the store. But yeah, that's the end result. Look at me. I'm like feeling like instantly cute.